Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. Yeah, just a quick update here because Bitcoin has reached now this target zone that we talked about in the last video. Overall, over the last few days, Bitcoin has been moving in quite a narrow range. There was a little bit of volatility, a little bit more than what we saw in the stock indexes, but yeah, overall, all the markets here, Bitcoin, or crypto, and yeah, the stock indexes as well, they've been moving in quite a sideways range here. As you can see, we're pretty much where we were on Sunday and also on Saturday. And the price has only barely made a higher high, but then failed to follow through. And it ended as a B-wave top, yeah, a local B-wave price top. And someone asked me in the comments why I am so strongly biased towards further upside. That's a misunderstanding. While the white scenario is the preferred interpretation, I've mentioned in the last videos, like I think in every video, that this is not a high probability scenario until we form all 5 waves. And if we get all 5 waves like this, 1, 2, 3, which could get another extension, 4, 5, well, then we can call that wave A, maybe even wave 1. And the subsequent pullback, well, that would be an interesting setup. At the moment, I think it's quite clear that the local trend is up. That's why I'm tracking upside, and I simply provide here support levels. I'm not telling you support will hold. I'm simply highlighting the relevant support levels and the targets based on the internal structure. It is, of course, all about how the market reacts to these levels. I mean, the technical analysis tells us about the Elliott Wave structures. I mean, again, I'm just presenting you Elliott Wave structures, right? They are not absolute predictions. They are simply the structures that seem to be the most probable ones at the moment. So, again, I haven't made the rules, right? So I'm simply giving you structures. I'm giving you pivots, support levels, yeah, and targets based on the internal wave structure. And that's really what it is. And any break below support or below the key levels I'm mentioning, well, they indicate the probabilities are shifting. But that's a signal, a sign, right? Something that comes from the analysis. I'm simply presenting the chart and the analysis, right? I'm not telling you we will go higher, even though at the moment, it's preferred as long as we are holding above the key levels. Because again, the roadmap that I'm showing, the white scenario, the leading diagonal to the upside is the most probable scenario as long as we're holding above this red line, which is a key pivot. That's the low from the 10th of April, and it's the $78,420 level. And as long as we're holding that level, the white scenario is the leading scenario. And again, reminder, 5 waves up, 1, 2. This is an A, B, C in wave 3. So wave 3 would ideally get another upside extension, and then we can get another 4-5 pattern. Now you might ask, where could that one more extension go to, and what would be an ideal target for circle wave 3? Well, one more high could send the price to around about 87,894 to 90,282. So these next upside levels, yeah. And however, when will I stop watching for another high in a bullish scenario, or let's say a directly bullish one? Well, I will stop watching for it if the price breaks below 78,420. For now, all I can say is that the price has now reached this internal target, the 83,385 level. But again, is the low in? I think it could be, but there is not enough, not enough structure from the low for me to confirm that this would be the case. But the next upside levels to watch, as I said, are 87,894 to 90,282. And as long as the market turns around to the upside while holding 78,421, the red line, the white scenario remains preferred. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.